Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that plays a key role in maintaining healthy hair by supporting the scalp and promoting hair growth. Here are 5 selenium-rich foods to add to your diet for stronger, shinier hair. 1. Brazil nuts, the ultimate selenium source. Just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts per day can provide your entire daily selenium requirement. They also contain healthy fats that nourish hair follicles. 2. Eggs, packed with both selenium and biotin. Eggs are a fantastic choice for hair health. They also offer protein, which strengthens hair strands. 3. Tuna. Tuna is not only selenium-rich but also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support scalp health. Other selenium-packed fish options include salmon and sardines. 4. Sunflower seeds. Just a handful of sunflower seeds provides a selenium boost, along with vitamin E to protect hair from free radical damage. They're a perfect snack or salad topping. 5. Brown rice. Whole grains like brown rice are a plant-based source of selenium. They offer complex carbohydrates for energy, keeping your scalp and hair follicles nourished. Bonus tip: pair these selenium-rich foods with other hair-friendly nutrients like zinc, vitamin E, and iron for optimal growth. Would you like meal ideas that combine these ingredients for healthier hair? Please let us know in the comments section below.